Hi friends, I am Mr. Manoj Bhai. Today we are doing study here, inductive effect. So what is the inductive effect? Let's we say here, inductive effect. Inductive effect which is present in the heteronuclear diatomic molecule which is not present in the homonuclear diatomic molecule. Why there is a no presence of the inductive effect in the homoatomic molecules homoatomic molecules. Inductive effect which is not present in the homoatomic molecules. Why there is a no presence of the inductive effect in the homoatomic molecules? Which are the homoatomic molecules? Let's we check here. H, that means H2, Cl. This is also example of the homoatomic molecule. Third one, Br. There is also homoatomic molecules. Homo means both of the atoms, these are the similar. So these are the example in which there is no presence of the inductive effect. Inductive effect which need a polar effect or polarization which is essential for the inductive effect. While in case of the heteroatomic molecules, inductive effect which is present in the heteroatomic molecules. Why? Because there is a polar effect. There is a polar effect. For an example, HCl, HBr, HCl, HBr. These are the examples. So HCl which is a polar. Why? Because there is a positive charge on the hydrogen and negative charge on the chlorine. HBr which is a polar. Why? Because the positive charge on the hydrogen and negative charge on the bromine. So this is the example of the heteroatomic molecule. Hetero means two atoms. These are the different. Two atoms. These are the different. So there is a movement of the electron takes place from the hydrogen to the chlorine in the first one example, and in case of the second one example, movement of the electron from the hydrogen to the bromine. Why? In the first one example, this arrow indicates movement, hydrogen to the chlorine. Generally, because of that, chlorine which is a more electronegative and hydrogen which is a less. So that's why which withdraw electron towards itself. While in case of the HBr, Br which is a also more electronegative. So that's why which withdraw electron too much towards itself. So this arrow indicates movement of the electrons. So there is an inductive effect which is present in the only in case of the heteroatomic molecules. There is no inductive effect in case of a homoatomic molecule. Reason I already told you, homoatomic molecule there is no polarization present here. Heteroatomic molecule there is a polarization effect which is present here. Polarization present, that means 100% there is an inductive effect which is the present here. So that is about the inductive effect which is given there. Inductive effect which is having two types. One is there are types of the inductive effect. Types of the inductive effect. There is a one that is a plus I effect, and another which is the minus I effect. Now, what is the difference between these plus I effect and minus I effect? Generally, plus I effect because of the minus charge which is higher than neutral atom. First difference, minus charge higher than neutral atom. While in case of the minus I effect, plus charge higher than neutral atom. Plus I effect because of the minus charge which is higher than neutral atom, while in case of the minus effect plus charge which is having higher than neutral atom. So that is the first one point which is given there. So let's we check with the one example. In the first one example you can observe there CH3 CH2O minus, and second example CH3 CH2OH is the second example. So if we compare the plus I effect, in the first one example there is a plus I effect which is a greater as compared to the second. Why? There is a minus charge and there is no minus charge. This is the neutral molecule which is here. There is no charge present here. So minus charge if present in the any example, then which is the plus I effect which is a more. So there is a plus I effect more, plus I effect less. Same which is also happen in the minus I effect. In minus I effect, there is one thing which is given there. There is one example CH3 CH2 NH3 plus, and second example CH3 CH2 NH. So if we compare both of these examples, first example there is a plus charge and second example which is a neutral molecule. So if we compare the minus I effect in case of the charged structure and neutral structure, charged structure which is having plus charge higher than neutral atom. So if we compare both of these examples, there is a plus charge. Both are having minus I effect, but first example which is having higher or which is having more minus I effect as compared to the second example. So which is having minus I effect more, and there is a minus I effect less. So this is the first comparative point which is given there in case of the plus I effect and minus I effect. Second one comparative which is given there about the electronegativity. Second regarding to the electronegativity. Next, that is the electronegativity. If we compare electronegativity with the plus I effect, electronegativity and a relation between plus I effect, that is the inverse relation. There is an inversely proportional to the plus I effect. While in case of the minus I effect, electronegativity difference or electronegativity which is directly proportional to the minus I effect. Electronegativity is directly proportional to the minus I effect. That means in case of the plus I effect, electronegativity increases, plus I effect decreases. Right? Electronegativity increases, plus I effect decreases. Electronegativity decreases, plus I effect increases. While in case of the minus I effect, electronegativity increases, minus I effect that also increases. Electronegativity decreases, minus I effect that also decreases. So that is about the second one comparative point which is given there. In this second one point we are seeing there electronegativity. Okay. So example of this second point. In the example I am writing here, there is one example, that is the CH3 CH2 EMG, and second example CH3 CH2 B, that means boron. So if we compare electronegativity, which is a more electronegative? Boron which is a more electronegative, and magnesium which is the less electronegative. So that's why in these two examples, plus I effect, in which example which is the greater? Obviously in the first example there is a plus I effect more, and second example plus I effect less. Reason already which is given there. There is an inverse relation between electronegativity and plus I effect. Magnesium which is having less electronegative, so that's why plus I effect more. Second example, boron which is a more electronegative. Okay, more electronegative means plus I effect less. In between these two examples. In case of the minus I effect, there is one important thing which also given there. There is one example. If you check with the example, CH3 CH2 EF. And another example, that is a CH3, CH2. Now in this example, which is a more electronegative? This part which is similar, CH2, CH2 and CH2, CH2. Just difference in between these electronegative atoms. Fluorine and iodine, fluorine which is a more electronegative. So that's why in which example there is a minus I effect greater? Obviously in the first example. In the first example, minus I effect more as compared to the second example. And minus I effect in the second example, yes. Fluorine which is a more electronegative, so that's a minus I effect also more, because electronegativity and minus effect there is a directly proportional which is given there. Okay, so this is about the second one point which is we are seeing there. Now third one point about the alkyl group and their number of the attachment which is given there. Now there is a next point. Now there is a next difference which is given there, that is the third one difference. So let's we check here third one difference. Third one difference about the S character. S character which is the inverse relation with the plus I effect, and in this case plus S character which is directly proportional to the minus I effect. That means S character increases, plus I effect decreases, and in case of the minus I effect, yes character increases, minus I effect that also increases. Yes character. So let's we check with the example, that is a CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay, this is the one of the example. Second example, CH double bond, CH2, and third one example, that is the CH3, CH, okay, C triple bond, CH. So in these three examples, in which example which is a S character greater? In the first one example you can observe there, in case of the S character which is having S percentage which is the more. In this example, S characters which are the uh, less as compared to the this one, and in this example S characters two less. That means S character which is given there, which depends on the double bond, single bond, double bond, and triple bond. Triple bond, that means more S character. Double bond means as compared to the triple bond, less S character. And in case of the single bond, which is a two less S characters. So in these three examples, how we are writing here order of the inductive effect. In which example, which is the plus I effect, which is a greater, obviously in the first one example, plus I effect which is a greater as compared to the second example and as compared to the third example. Olive bias in there, S character increases, plus I effect decreases. That means inverse proportional. That means S character decreases, plus I effect increases. So that's why which is the highest plus I effect in the first example as compared to the second and as compared to the third. But in this case, in case of the minus I effect, that is the completely different. That means same example we are consider here. It is a CH3, CH2, CH3, then CH3, CH double bond, CH2, and third example CH triple bond, CH. So if we compare the electronegativity, obviously which is given there, their S character which are the given there, more S character in the third one example. So that's why which is having minus I effect greater in the third one character, because there is a directly proportional which is given there. So more S character, more will be the minus I effect. So this is the order which is given there about the S character. So this is the next one difference, third one difference which is given there. Next one, that is about the number of the alkyl groups. Fourth one, number of alkyl group is directly proportional to the plus I effect. But in this case, number of electronegative atoms. Electronegative atoms. There is a directly proportional to the minus effect. So let's me check with one example. In this example, R, CH, 2 CH3. Second example R CH CH3 CH3, two alkyl group. And third example CH, there is a CH3 CH3 and CH3. Okay, so all these examples which are the given there, one alkyl group, two alkyl group, 1 2 and 3 alkyl group. So number of alkyl group increases, plus effect increases. So this is which is having greater plus effect as compared to the second and as compared to the first. Same also which is given there in case of the minus effect, R CH, for example I am writing here Cl. Okay, second example R CH Cl Cl, and third R Cl Cl C. One electronegative atom, two electronegative atom, and three electronegative atom. So more electronegative atom, more will be the minus effect. So which is the order of this order of the minus effect? Greater in the third one example as compared to the second and as compared to the first. Less minus effect which is present in the first example, and more minus effect which is present in the third one example. So this is about the difference in between plus effect and minus effect which is given there. Thank you very much.